Fox News Digital Network, Fox News, Fox Business You Report, Fox News Radio, Fox News Latino, Fox Nation, Fox News Insider. Login. Account. You're logged in as. Profile logout. Search site. Listen to Fox News Radio lid right angle quote. In air now right angle quote. In air personalities right angle quote. Home video politics US. Opinion entertainment tech science health travel lifestyle world sports on air. Previous slide next slide. US. Home. Crime. Economy. Immigration. Disasters. National interest. Terror. Military. Religion. Education. Florida police officer accused of bringing Trayvon Martin target to gun range. Published April 14, 2013. Associated Press. Port Canaveral, Florida. And a police officer accused of bringing targets resembling Trayvon Martin to a gun range has been fired. Port Canaveral Interim Chief Executive Officer John Walsh told WFTV Saturday that Sergeant Ron King was leading a target practice with two other Port Canaveral police officers and a civilian port employee when he pulled out the targets April 4. Walsh says King asked the group if they wanted to use the targets and they said no, telling King to put them back into his patrol car. Port Canaveral is about 50 miles southeast of Sanford, where the 17-year-old Martin was killed in 2012 by Neighborhood Watch volunteer George Zimmerman. Zimmerman says he shot Martin in self-defense. His trial is set for June. Print, email, share, comments, recommend, tweet. Share this article. View article. Please enable JavaScript to view the comments powered by Discourse. You must log in to comment. View article. Advertisement. Trending in U.S. 1. Florida police officer accused of bringing Trayvon Martin target to gun range. 2. 5 young adults killed in Florida crash off I-95. 3. Guards, detainees clash at Guantanamo Bay. 4. Montana man looks to be reimbursed by feds after dog eats $500. 5. Florida veteran battles city for right to fly flags honoring service members. See all trends right angle quote. Tax news. Tax news right angle quote. Protecting yourself from an IRS audit. Austria stands alone as your momentum builds against bank secrecy. Tax tips for IRAs. Bank rates. Mortgage, home equity, auto CD rates. Loan type, graph rate, plus, slash, dash, last week 30Y fixed 3.54%, dash 3.54%, 15Y fixed 2.78%, 2.77%, 30Y fixed jumbo 3.96%, dash 3.96%, 5 over 1 arm 2.64%, 2.68%, 5 over 1 jumbo arm 2.89%, 2.96%. Find personalized rates search. Loan type, graph rate, plus, slash, dash, last week $30 K HELOC 4.99%, 4.76%, $50 K HELOC 4.59%, 4.38%, $30 K loan 6.24%, 6.26%, $50 K loan 6.01%, 6.03%, $75 K loan 5.98%, 6%. Find personalized rate search. Loan type, graph rate, plus, slash, dash, last week 36 MU 2.56%, 2.40%, 36 MUs 2.95%, 2.78%, 48 MU 2.70%, 2.56%, 48 MUs 3.13%, 2.96%, 60 MU 2.68%, 2.53%. Find personalized rate search. Loan type, graph, yield, plus, slash, dash, last week 6 months 0.36%, 0.34%, 1 year 0.52%, 0.50%, 5 year 1.24%, 1.20%. Compare rates. 1 year CD. 1 year CD, 6 month CD, 3 month CD, 5 year CD, 1 year jumbo CD, money market account, jumbo mass search. Advertisement.